Morning, everybody. Woke up this morning in the RV and came outside to find snow on the ground. We're here in Alamogordo, New Mexico, which it's kind of weird for there to be snow here, especially during this time of year. But there was a very rare cold front that came through and ended up dropping about 8 inches of snow on the Sacramento Mountains, which are actually right here. You just can't see them because of all this haze. But yeah, it ended up getting some of the snow down here on the ground near our RV at our boondocking site as well. So I figure in light of the cold weather, I do something that goes along with the fall season, plus is great for inside and early in the morning. So I'm gonna make some pumpkin pancakes over here on my flat top. So I'm gonna go ahead and get those ingredients together. So today with the pancakes, I'm making gluten-free buttermilk pancake mix, pureed pumpkin, almond milk, and 1 large egg. So I'm gonna go ahead and mix this up. Then I'm gonna take this up and put my flat top here on the burners, and we'll get the pancakes going. So one of the things I like to do with my pancakes is actually make little designs on the surface here. And in order to do that, you either use a plastic squeeze bottle, which I don't have one right now, or you can put it inside a Ziploc bag like this and cut off the very tip. So we'll go ahead and get our batter inside this. That way I can squeeze out the designs onto the flat top. We're looking for something about like this. And so what we'll do is we'll take off that tiny little tip there. The flat top is getting nice and hot now. I use a high smoking point oil, and I don't have to worry about it. So I went ahead and finished up the pancakes. As you can see, they have the little designs on them of the pumpkin and the pumpkin face on this guy. But you know, normally these would come out a little lighter, browned up a little bit more because of the pumpkin puree, but still turned out really nice. And browned up some sausage to go with them. And yeah, gonna go ahead and enjoy. Made a nice hot chocolate here, and gonna just watch the snow come down outside and enjoy the rest of the day. This was my quick pumpkin pancake video. I hope you guys liked. You can give the video a thumbs up if you did, and don't forget to subscribe. So I will see everybody around the next campfire, and have a good day.